Hi friends, this video shows how to set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, go down. Then select power saving. Under power saving, select set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Select this option. Then select during media playback. You can see default setting is after 4 hours. If you want to change, you can change it. We have options from 1 hour till 5 hours. We can also select don't put in rest mode. So let me go back. Then go to the second option, while playing games. Default, you can see after 20 minutes. Let me select it. So we have options from 20 minutes to 5 hours. If you don't want to put PS5 in rest mode, then you can select this last option, don't put in rest mode. Okay, so this way we can set time until PS5 enters rest mode. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.